This is the elevator to tracks 1 and 2, Jefferson Station, 10th Street entrance, in Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It's an Otis from 1984. That does not light up. P. You going down?
How do you get down?
P or C?
I think you go all the way down.
So P,
Let's see.
C? Okay. You wanted C, right? Sorry, I'm not trying to take a picture or anything. Have a good night. Have a good night, sir.
Oh no, I gotta go down.
Okay.
You have a place to piss down here?
There's you have to use the bathroom. You have to go up to C.
No, there ain't gonna open.
Sorry. Have a good. So, have a good night. Shoot. This is the same one I took up. Here we are at C. Close it up. We are going to send it down to P. And that's it.